Hello, it's Mike Dirks with Leadership Management Institute of Central Ohio, and I want to invite you out to our upcoming LMI Success Workshop on August 10th from 9 to 3 at our conference center in Reynoldsburg, Ohio. This workshop is going to uncover the 3 characteristics of highly successful people and give you the strategies to implement them into your daily work pattern so that you can elevate your level of success. These 3 characteristics can catapult your performance to new heights. Again, it's August 10th from 9 to 3. Seating is limited. It's to the first 12 people who sign up. There's an early bird special, so sign up soon. I look forward to working with you. Spend a day and enhance and elevate your performance. See you soon. Look for the information after the video.